Hello friends! Is your car experiencing rough acceleration, poor fuel efficiency, or engine hesitation? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0259, this means there's a problem with the injection pump fuel metering control B high, cam/rotor/injector. Ignoring this issue can lead to engine misfires, loss of power, and even total breakdown. But don't worry, in this video I'll explain what P0259 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. P0259 is triggered when the ECU detects an abnormally high voltage in the fuel metering control B circuit. This means your fuel system is injecting more fuel than required, which can result in poor engine performance and increased emissions. Here are some common symptoms: hard starting or no start, loss of power while driving, black smoke from the exhaust, inconsistent RPM, and rough idling. If you ignore P0259, it can damage your fuel injectors and engine over time. Check engine light, CL is on, loss of acceleration and hesitation, fuel consumption increases, RPM fluctuates at idle, strong fuel smell from the exhaust. If you notice these symptoms, it's time to locate the faulty components. To diagnose P0259, check these key components. Fuel injection pump, located at the front of the engine near the timing cover, responsible for fuel delivery. Fuel metering control valve, B-side solenoid, found on the fuel injection pump, regulates the amount of fuel injected. Fuel rail pressure sensor, located on the fuel rail, it monitors and regulates fuel pressure. Crankshaft position sensor, CKP, positioned near the engine block or transmission bell housing, ensures correct fuel injection timing. Camshaft position sensor, CMP, found on the cylinder head, helps control fuel metering and injection timing. If any of these fail, they can cause the P0259 code and lead to poor fuel delivery. Alright, let's talk about some common causes of the P0259 error code. First, a faulty fuel injection pump. A failing pump can lead to excessive fuel being delivered. Next, we have a defective fuel metering control valve, specifically the B side. If it's stuck open, the engine may receive too much fuel. Then short circuits or wiring issues can also be a culprit. A damaged wiring harness can send incorrect signals to the ECU. Additionally, clogged or leaking fuel injectors can cause problems. If injectors are leaking, they inject excess fuel into the engine. Lastly, a faulty fuel rail pressure sensor. If it's malfunctioning, the ECU may command excess fuel delivery. Now let's move on to the steps to fix the P0259 error code. First, inspect the fuel injection pump for leaks or damage and replace it if needed. Next, check the fuel metering control valve, the B-side solenoid, for proper operation. Then, use a multimeter to test the fuel rail pressure sensor and replace it if it's faulty. After that, inspect the wiring harness and connectors for any loose connections or corrosion. Also, scan and test the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors to ensure they're working properly. Finally, clear the trouble code using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. P0259 can cause serious fuel system problems if ignored. Fixing it early will restore fuel efficiency and engine performance. And hey, want to learn more about obd2 error codes? Check out these next videos. P0201, Cylinder 1 Injector Circuit Malfunction. P0202, Cylinder 2 Injector Circuit Malfunction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Catch you in the next video.